Leave it used to them like kind of. Oh, these kind of by farm. I'm used to them something man, bad man. I'm calling back man for farms, things like what? Used to them like that.
What? Some big farmer, you know.
Your brother, your friend, I mean, what kind of style that?
Where do man? Dog a weak out behavior.
And a weak out, but other way the people them fight on the farm.
You supposed to me. So me nah go forward. Nah man.
So I go on now. I'm probation officer. Where you to watch me?
Something like that. Just to make sure you say alright. And by the looks of things, you're good.
You call this good?
It's better than what you used to do before. Or you want to go back to that lifestyle.
I never said that. But I used to say that I get a work from a phone repair shop.
Yeah, but that was before the boss find out the numbers of your family.
So because that man is my uncle and him a farmer, that means that me want to turn farmer too. Well, something wrong with that.
I know farming him used to do first. He just moved to that now. Plus, he's a good man for guide you.
Guide me? But them think I come like slavery bad man.
That's because you just know what real work is like.
And this man, brother. Man, this is something I'm used to. This is not what I'm used to.
Maybe I better you start with this, you know. The phone thing might tempt you.
Nothing not tempt my bad man. I know what I do.
Same like how you know what did I do with Sean. Hear me I say. No few no get a second chance. You get that. Plus you have a family member who can guide you. So work with it.
Anything I say now? I'm not wrong. I may have a blade. Say anything I say.
One day I go over, but I never did some far to talk to you about.
So you're far to talk to me about then?
Your uncle and my virgin. Some man I'm real. But him don't know some work with the agency. So you have to keep that to your chest.
And how that benefit me now? Cause they asked me to keep a secret from you.
Cheers. It's not a negotiation, this, you know. May I tell you what you have to do. Unless you want to know how in a maximum security look, you do the right thing. If you know, then me know.
Yeah, my overs. So Sean do.
Put it this way. Him not do as good as you. You there out the street, reunited with your family, and you do a little juggling. Him there in a hospital, and I wait for go back in a maximum security.
Jano, so I'm going.
No worry about that. Just worry about what I'm going for you. Cheers!
Yes, Alfred.
Can you want to go out then? Wait. Hold on. Young Jenny, you there? Yeah, man. What about Alfred? Yo. Jenna, what about? Hear me, I said, don't follow this youth with this Alfred thing, you know.
Brother, I'm gonna tell you, say, don't call me Alfred, man.
Yes, Uncle Alfred.
No, Uncle Alfred. Just a number Z. I just say Uncle. See, just done with the Alfred thing.
Uncle Alfred.
Yeah.
You know, say Alfred's a real genius, though.
No, brother, I'm not too like the Alfred thing, man. That sound like a long time man name. You know, them retired man when a old age home. Oh, they are gonna make so much nice. You feed them?
Yeah, I'm feed them already.
So you're from so youth. At this year, I don't know, get used to it.